going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. Sorry about the late one. We're about probably 3 hours late. But today we're making like a little salt box, a jewelry box, whatever box you kind of want to make. But it's gonna have a little swivel top to open. All right. So to start, you're gonna take 1/2 inch plywood and you're gonna cut it down into 3 blocks that are 3 by 3 inches, 3 by 3 blocks, which should be pretty square. And then what you're gonna do is you're gonna draw a line 1.5 inches in from each side, and then you're gonna rip it right down the middle. So let's go do that now, shall we? Alright, so now that you got all these pieces that are 3 inches long, 1/2 inch wide, again, this isn't the high quality wood I own, or this is probably better. You're going to just sand them. Sand all the blocks down. And you're ready for the next step. Alright, so once you got all your sanded blocks, you are ready for assembly. Alright, so before we actually assemble, we need to cut one more piece. So what you're going to do, you're going to take one of your normal pieces, you're going to measure up 7/8 of an inch, just like that. And you're just going to go chop that up on the chop saw. Ready for assembly. So what you're going to do is you're going to take your two nubs. You're going to kind of flip it over and kind of line it up. There's no precision whatsoever needed. You just take your stapler, just fire it in once. And you're just going to do the same thing for this one. Now, you can, if you want to, stain this. I'm not going to do it anymore. And then you're going to take your 2 outside pieces. Little blood, that'll fix everything. Now, this last part is interesting. If you do get blowout, like I just did there, go ahead and fix that. I'll be right back. Alright, so what you're going to do, you're going to take a drill bit, you're going to line up the end, just like this. Make sure it's nice and square. And make sure it's nice and square. Come off to the side. Poke a nail through. Make sure it's got just a little head. So then you can just tap that in just like so. Then if you have to, you can go back and drill this thing. You can just go back and it a little bit deeper. And then tap it in. There you go. Nice little box. Let's head into an outro. Alright, so I really hope you guys enjoy this one. You could definitely make it look a lot nicer than this. The goal is to be able to put some salt, some jewelry, or even you could use this as a shop tool, as a little screw holder. Now you definitely could size this up a little bit, and that just closes, kind of stays closed. Nice little, it's a little like side table, jewelry holder. Looks kind of good, like rustic. Could throw this right in the back if you want to. It's nice. So I really hope you guys enjoyed this one. This was a quicker one. Didn't have as much time, but I'm still putting as much as I can into this. If you guys enjoyed it, please, if you would, like and subscribe, and see you guys in the next one. Oh, and leave a comment down below on what I should do next.